Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having with DeepL if your file is too large. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepL application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for DeepL, find application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the homepage you're greeted by, from where we can get started with translating. Here we have our settings tab to manage our application and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to fix the problem that you might be having if you keep getting the error that the file is too large. So basically guys, the most effective solution to fixing file too large error involves reducing the file size. So what you want to make sure that your PDF is under 10 megabytes, as this is the limit. If it's another file format, then the limit is 30 megabytes. So what you can do is transfer it from one file format to a different one and try to see if that's going to fix the problems. If not, you want to optimize the file, remove your images. Any large images, diagrams and photos in documents often cause file size issues, so you can try to remove them or use a file converter online to reduce the size of your file. Once you've done that, try again and see if it works. This time you can upload your files right here directly from the home page, and if you follow the simple steps, you should get it working right now. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.